Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to make the fun of mathematics. For example, here we have prove that 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Since we know that 1 plus 1 cannot be equal to 3 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, but we are just making the fun of mathematics. So here we have, since we know that 1 is equal to 1, if 1 can be written as 41 minus 40, and 1 can also be written as 61 minus 60. So 41 can be written as 16 plus 25 minus 40, and 61 can be written as 36 plus 25 and minus 60. We are writing 4 square instead of 16 and 5 square instead of 25, and we are rewriting minus 40 as minus 2 into 4 into 5, and the same we are doing over here. 36 can be written as 6 square and 5 square instead of 25, and minus 60 can be written as minus 2 into 6 into 5. So we are applying the formula. Since we know that a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, so this one can be written as 4 minus 5 whole square, and this one can be written as 6 minus 5 whole square. So square cancel, and here we have 4 minus 5 equal to 6 minus 5. So 4 equal to 6 minus 5, minus 5, the sign will change. So here we have plus 5. Now here we have 4 equal to 6. So dividing by 2 on both sides, 4 divided by 2 equal to 6 divided by 2, it will be 2 equal to 3, and 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. Now here you can see that 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now you have to figure out that which step was wrong, and that cannot be justified. Now here we have to prove that 2 plus 2 equal to 5. Since we know that 2 plus 2 cannot be equal to 5, it is equal to 4. But again, I am saying that we are just making the fun of mathematics. So since we know that 0 is equal to 0, 20 minus 20 instead of 0, and 25 minus 25 instead of 0. So 20 can be written as 4 into 5 minus 4 into 5 instead of this 20, and 5 into 5 instead of this 25 minus 5 into 5 instead of this 25. So taking 4 common, 4 in the bracket we have 5 minus 5 equal to 5, and in the bracket we have 5 minus 5. So 4 equal to 5 and 5 minus 5 divided by 5 minus 5. So these two will be cancelled. So we are left with 4 equal to 5 and writing 2 plus 2 instead of 4. So 2 plus 2 equal to 5. Now you have to figure out that which step was wrong and that cannot be justified. Thank you for watching this video.